Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate distance between two places on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Open up your Google Map and then pin up your location. Just simply you have to tap longer on the location. Then the pop-up will appear on the screen and you have to scroll up this pop-up. Now you have to hit on measure distance. And then you have to move this point to other point. Then you have to hit on this add point. Now move forward and add this point. Same as you will move this point and you have to hit on this option which is add point. And you can see the measurement of distance in the bottom of the screen. So it's quite simple. You can measure the distance by moving this point easily. That's it guys. How to calculate distance between two places on Google Maps. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.